I got you. And don't use the back foot, just straight over the front of the rim. So how about this? Step every time you get it too. Left foot, right foot. Just so you get a habit of it. Left foot, right foot. Right over the front of the rim. Good. Fingertips right over the front of the rim. Every time. Right down. As soon as you make 3 or 4 in a row, take a step back. Use your legs though. You have a habit of just pushing the ball. You got to use your legs every time, no matter if it's a 3, a foul shot, or in here. Use your legs every time. Good. That was your best one. Focus on those front 2 fingers. Front 2 fingers. There you go. Excellent. Good. So keep using your legs though. The form's pretty good. It's alright. Form's pretty good. Good. Good result. Not bad. Good. Couple more. Good. Last one. Good. Come on back now.